morning, everybody. This video is taken from University of St. Louis Tuguegarao from second floor College Library in the General Reference and Art section.
Okay, good morning. I'm Anna and I'm your General Reference section in charge. And welcome to the General and Reference and Art section, art which means academic research collection. Okay. And this is the table of the reference section in charge. And this is the reading area. We have here a certain portion of the section where you can see some books regarding the topic for the month of October, which is actually the celebration of the United Nations month, where we can see some books related to the topic of the United Nations. For example, the different countries involved in the United Nations or the members of the UN countries. We are actually promoting this book so that students will come to know what are about the countries of the UN. And then at the back of the section, you can see from the shelf 1 to shelf 5 the different books under that section. From shelf 1, you can see the encyclopedias. Shelf 2, the research section, and then the shelf 3, the general reference, and shelf 3 and shelf 5 are actually the same. It is actually the extension of the shelf, but since we do not have enough shelves for the books, we actually divide the shelves into two. So here in this part of the shelf 1, we can see different reminders for our students to be guided. First is actually our policy that no ID, no borrowing for our faculty and also our students. And the second is, of course, number 1 is that we should not allow anyone to eat in our library because, of course, this is library. This is for research and for studying activities. And then the last are some of the reminders for our students. First is, of course, they should observe their behavior and then not vandalizing, like reading of their books. And then some of the policies inside our library. It is actually more on common disciplinary actions for our students. And then the second section is the reserve section. This is not actually under the general reference section, but since we do not have enough space for our Filipiniana section, we just accommodate these books for our students to have a place. And then actually the contents or the collections under these books are found also in the Filipiniana section since it is called reserve section. So the other copy of the book is to be found in here. And then in the next section, the shelf 3, which is the general reference. These are the dictionaries, inspirational books like the Chicken Soup, Webster's dictionaries. And then you can also find some books of the general reference section in this shelf 5. Dito natin nakikita na yung mga yearbooks, reprise, and then mga fact-books, ganyan, encyclopedias, and guidebooks. And then as we observe, we can see this part here that we have our thesis, which is not actually shouldn't be found here because the theses should be put in the Filipiniana section. Pero gaya nga nung sabi ko kanina na we do not have enough space, kaya we just accommodate these books. We are actually using the color coding labels, which is for the fuchsia, Master of Arts in Education and Teaching, and then light green, Public Administration, and then the other colors for the certain topic. We use color labeling so that our researchers and other researchers from the other schools will be easier for them to search for the topics and to search for the articles they need.
Thank you, Ma'am Ana Batak, our General Reference and Art in charge. and also thank you for the tour and explanation of each section of the General Reference and Art section. These are some pictures as taken in the General Reference and Art section for clarity of each section. The first picture is the entrance of General Reference and Art section. The second and third pictures are the reference desk wherein Ma'am Ana stays to accommodate the query of each student and also to assist the needs of the users. The fourth, fifth, and sixth pictures are the reading area of this section. The seventh pictures is desk of LWS or Library Working Student in Duty, wherein the users will oblige to register here for the statistic of each department and monitor what are the most borrowed books and in-demand general references each month. The next picture is like an up-to-date corner wherein Ma'am Ana puts some books that will indicate the theme of each month. Another picture is the special Filipiniana section that contains books about Philippines, like history, literature, mythology, and religion that's written by Filipino authors. And lastly, the different shelves in this section. These are the reserved shelves, general reference shelf, and thesis shelf. That's all. Thank you for watching this video.